Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a palette bingo thanks to Marilyn. I am doing this palette bingo because I've been getting asked about it and I haven't done it. So I'm gonna do a palette bingo. And this is a random picker. So it has all my palettes that I own all into one, and the other one that I had it was 40 each. So this has all in one. Oops. Take me back to Brazil. And I just recently wore that. And you know what? I'll spin again and then come right back. And then here we go for another one. It's my very first time, so I'm like, what do I do? And then BH Summer and Topaz, I think. Topaz. Something like that. Topaz. I'll be right back. Okay, I got the two palettes right here. I primed my eyes with Hard Candy eye primer, and this is what this looks like. And take me back to Brazil. Very colorful, interesting what I'm gonna come up with, or my phone's gonna come up with. And then I'm going to the other app to put in my number, and 1 through, I think this is 35 shadows. Alright, so 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so this purple shade, very pretty. So it's like this purple shade over here. That's what she looks like. Alright. Next is 31. Okay. So 31. I think it's this green shade. It's very pretty. I haven't worn this green shade yet, so I'm excited. It's like a mermaid already. So it's this green shade right here. And 27. So 1, 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 1 So that's the 3 shades I'm gonna pick through here. And this app has weird ads on it that is like kicking me out. So I really hate that. Okay. And for this palette bingo, it was Summer and Topaz. So we have, how many shades? 16. So I'm going to put 16 here. And 16. So that's that Sizzle shimmery pink shade right there. It'll be like out of place. Very pigmented. These shadows are very pigmented and beautiful. I love the BH. Number 2 is this orangey yellow shade, and it's very like bright and powdery. And the 3rd shade, 12. So this Bay. This one is like going out of place. So here's all the shades. Woo. This looks like very fun and summery. I don't know about you, but that's what it looks like. for me. Alright. I already primed my eyes, so I don't need primer. So here we go. I'm excited. Okay. I'm just gonna dig into some. Excuse me, I have burps. Okay, this brush right here. This is Wet n Wild, even though the name is off, and this is like a blending brush. So what color should I use? I normally typically wear this in the inner corner, and these two are gonna be like the crease area, and then we'll see what happens. Alright, so what I like to do is I'm gonna use this. I'm glad this random picker always like pick out some interesting shades, but this time it's like really pretty, my kind of style. So I'm gonna go in the inner and some on top, because I like to do that. Like sometimes I like to go right here and then go in the crease area with the orange. It's like an orangey yellow. It's a really good color for that. And then just wiping the brush as when I go along. Okay, and then I'm going with the sizzle. And they're very pigmented, especially on the brush. Very pigmented. So that is going on very well. And I like to do this in the middle, like wear it in the middle. And then going in with that purple shade. So I'm going to wipe it along, even though I'm going to mix the colors anyways. And then I'm going in with this purple shade. And then with my outer corner crease. And then again over here. And then I'm just going to mix that in. Don't add any more product, and then, you know, like these are almost exactly the same. It blends in like exactly the same. That's okay. I always like the summery look. I like the summery look like even in like the winter times. I don't know why. I'm gonna go in with the glitter primer to make this lid shades stick on better. And I always do too much and it's really goopy. And then going with the clean brush and just going in with that. And it is sticky. So you gotta just be careful. Alright. And then going in with this beige shade. Same brush, just wipe it off. I've been like really lazy lately and not washing my brushes. And that's not good. But yeah. This is very pigmented. Even though it's powdery, it's still pigmented. Like, I recommend both of these palettes. Then wipe off the rest. And just blending that right in. And over here. And then going in with the teal. I always like to mix in with the teal color. Different brush. Maybe this kind of brush. Where is it? Right here. Lost my And I like to line that up right there. Like on top of that color and onto the empty spot, and just very pigmented, and I really enjoy that. So I'm gonna mix that in real good. I like to use like all the shades all up here. Alright, and then I'm going in with this gold chain. This glittery, like the bottom was all like shimmers except for like 2, I think. So then peg that in and spread it around with the rest. Where am I? Always getting lost, right? And then right here. Alright, for the bottom, underneath the eye, I'm gonna use this brush. And I like to do like the darkest and then go to the light, like I do with my lid. So with the blue Babe. Like that. That's pretty. And then going in with, I love the pink shade right there. Sizzle. And then again over here. It's very pretty. And then I'm thinking about this green shade again. Over here. And then I'm gonna pop off real quick, fix this up a little, and put on eyeliner and mascara. And here is the finished look. I love the colorfulness of this look. I'm using this Urban Decay and the Natasha Denona for the under my eyes. Yeah, this is a palette bingo using these 2 palettes, and I really do enjoy this look. It's summer, it's beautiful, it's colorful, and I love all of the shades that this random picker picked for me. So I'm really excited and happy about this eye look. It looks really good. Oh yeah, looking in the mirror, I like it. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my video. Yeah, bye for now.